3.
Hi everyone, I'm Lauri here from Kimberbell, and I want to share a tip with you today. I hope this will be very helpful. So today I wanted to show you these beautiful buttons collections that we have. I love this cozy winter collection. We've also got the We Wish You a Merry Christmas collection, and this is something I wanted to show you about these special buttons. Is if you come over here, you can see that this fabric that's on the pillow is also on the buttons. You can see right here, this white fabric is right here on the stocking. And the same goes with our cozy winter collection. You can see that this buffalo plaid right here, it's right here on this very same pillow. And this black and gray dot is another one of our fabrics. And I love how these tie in so well with the Kimberbell fabrics. In fact, I'm going to show you this cute little twins right there. Can you see those two stockings? The stocking button and the actual stocking, the gingerbread cookie stocking on this Ginger's Kitchen pillow. Look how great that is. They match perfectly. So in taking care of these beautiful buttons, some of them are a little more delicate. You can see these beautiful snowflakes and how beautiful those are. So a trick to actually removing your button from the packaging so that you don't damage anything, this is what we always do is you're going to bend, yes, you're going to bend the packaging, and then that way you can freely pull your button right off of the packaging. In fact, I'm going to come over here, we'll pull off this penguin, for example. And if you get a good hold of and support your button as you pull it off, they are stuck on well so that they don't fall off in transport. And I'm going to pull off this snowflake right there for you. So you just want to make sure that you pull the backing away from the button rather than trying to pry the button off of the packaging. You'll want to secure the packaging and pull the packaging away from the button. You can see how I bend that so I can get it actually practically falls off when you do it that way. You can see that it comes right off. So that's how you want to remove those special buttons from the packaging. And I hope that that will be a helpful tip for you. Thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.